you're more than enough. Yeah, I can trust in what you say. I don't have to do it on my way. I can depend on your strength. Even in a fire, I know I'm safe. When I'm lost and alone and I feel far from home, every time that I call, you pick up for me. Every fear, every flaw, Jesus, you take it all. Every time that I fall at your feet. So I give it all to you and then you give it right back. All these blessings